Hello everyone, today I will show you how we made a plumbing jobs in this new house. Okay, so here we have a double sink. This is a drain pipe 50 millimeters and PEX pipe for hot water and cold 16 millimeters. I saw on the YouTube plumbers in the United States of America never put insulation on the pipes. Why? Answer for me. I always put because a cold water not insulated is condensing, and hot water you will losing your energy. Okay. Answer me, please. Another thing, here we have a shower. Down we have a drain pipe 50 millimeters and again PEX pipe 16 millimeters for cold and hot water, insulated, and we drill into the wall. Here we have a toilet. There will be a wall-mounted toilet. When carpenters build a wall, I will put a frame into the wall. Okay, these red pipes is underfloor heating pipes. They're still missing a concrete. It is 18 millimeters pipe. One very important thing, these old circuits cannot be longer than 70 meters, because if it will be longer, you will have a problem with your manifold balancing, regulating. Here we have our manifold. We see here 6 circuits, and all of these no longer than 70 meters. This is flow, this is return valve, yes, and here you can regulate. Okay, so that's it for this time. Goodbye and see you next time.